Good morning, my beautiful and lovely friends. Oh my gosh, this is the last day of the shed build before I move stuff in. Yesterday, we just put our heads down and worked, so there's a lot of time-lapse footage. What did we do yesterday? Holy moly. I don't know, it feels like 4 weeks ago. But anyway, I'll just do some voiceover, kind of explain how we got this far. So let's go back to yesterday morning when I was very tired and it was 6:30 a.m. I'm just doing what I can before we start using power tools. I'm letting Andy sleep in. He let me sleep in the other day and it was glorious. I haven't even brushed my teeth, but I just woke up and sat up in bed, and there's just so much work to be done. So this is day 9 of the build. It took 11 days total. And how's it going, you ask? Well, this is what I looked like on day 1 of the build, right here, yes. Very vibrant, full of life. And this is what I look like on day 9 of the build. Good morning, my beautiful and lovely friends. It's the final day of the she shed build. How does one age 150 years in 1 week? I will never know, but oh my goodness, this took a toll. Mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually, it was a lot. It was definitely a lot. So I've officially been moving 4 out of the last 10 months this year. 4 out of 10 months. Doing nothing but packing, moving, organizing. I'm not going to go mentally insane, you are. And not only have I been packing and moving, but then I have to relive that experience and edit these videos. So I'm gonna cram the final 2/3 days into one vlog. It might be a very long vlog, I don't know. But I kind of just need to get it over with. Sometimes being a vlogger is amazing. You get to relive the fun experiences, but also you relive the not so fun experiences that you would rather not think about and would prefer to erase from your memory forever. So we're just gonna bing bang boom, get the last 3 days of the build finished and uploaded, and then we'll give you the final reveal in the next video. What do you think? Is it gonna fit? That's what she said. Wah, wah, wah. The last and final piece, and then we put up the gate. What in the heck?
Go the other way?
I don't know, but it's totally too tall. What
We cut the wrong piece. Is it this one?
Look, the gable sit. It is that one. How'd you know? I'm new here. I spent the first few hours this morning measuring and getting things ready to cut. So got the gables installed. We put up a few trim pieces. We had help from Uncle Craig. Such a sweet guy. He came to help us a couple days in this build. So we used the same paneling on the walls and the ceiling. So we decided to get the same color paneling for the doors, but the grooves are a little bit wider, so at least it breaks it up a tiny bit. Andy did a beautiful job cutting out the window on the doors. I thought it looked kind of tacky with all the seams in the walls showing, as well as all the staples and nails, so I decided to caulk everything. I at least wanted the walls to look a little more cohesive and seamless. I did not caulk the ceiling, nor did we put up all of the ceiling trim. That will be a project for a later date, but we just wanted to put up a few trim pieces that kind of tied it all together and hid some of the seams. Okay, this is as far as we got. We're so close. I really want to wipe off all the walls and then paint it. Just one coat of paint. I'm going to take a piece of that in and try and match it. We were hoping to get to the floors today, but I also have to get out of my apartment in the next couple days, so Andy is going to help me grab the bigger things, and then I'm just gonna get the rest of it later. We have our front doors. They're very dirty, but look how cute. So tonight the goal is to frame the 4 windows, and these guys included. I'm going to paint. If we can start on the flooring, that's wonderful, but if not, that's okay too. I might stay up till 3 a.m. just to get it done, then put on the baseboards. But right now, I'm gonna go buy some paint and grab my big furniture from my other place. We planned on having Andy help me move my entire apartment, but we are not gonna have time for that because I'd rather have his help with the shed. So we grabbed the larger items that I physically cannot get on my own. I decided just to do one quick coat of white paint. I got a matte finish, so it kind of just blends into the walls. The point was to cover up the seams and the nails. And I looked back on the footage and it took 3.5 hours to paint this thing. I woke up with such a sore back the next day and I was like, why do I feel 190 years old? And now looking back at this footage, it all makes sense. We were hoping to do the floors this night, but because painting took so long, we're gonna have to do it tomorrow. And we are covered in paint, but it's looking pretty. I messed up the beams in a few places. That one's pretty bad. Maybe I'll X-Acto knife that off of there. Other than that though, it's looking good. So early the next morning, we cleaned up and prepared the floor for the paneling. I wanted to get it done last night and I was so close to staying up because it's supposed to rain today. We're cutting the paneling in the garage, so we're gonna be walking in and out. So little obstacle with the weather, but gonna get it done. Okay, we're back at Ace, of course. So we need some tape for our subfloor. Not subfloor, but the sheets we lay down underneath the flooring. I don't know what it's called. Words are hard. Okay, so we're about to do the flooring and it's raining and we are gonna cut in the garage and lay the floor in the shed. And Andy came up with a genius solution.
I don't know about that.
Andy set up a contraption because he's gonna be in here cutting the flooring to the size that I need it. And then he'll walk out here and hand it to me in the window so we can avoid the rain as much as possible. And then look, bam. Umbrella. So smart. You're so smart.
Trying.
We're trying
We're
to
to improvise because of the rain.
Yeah, we're trying not to get the floor of the shed wet. Plus, we painted last night. Trying not to get that door wet because it hasn't quite cured. Okay. We left a heater on and a fan going last night to help cure the paint, but we have the trim up. We have a nice fresh coat of paint. It sort of looks good. It sort of looks not great. I think my armoire is gonna go right there. It's not the best paint job ever. We covered up the nails. Ooh, yeah, that wall is not great. I think my couch is gonna go there. We're gonna repaint it at some point. I was running out of paint last night. We got a gallon and it didn't quite get all the way around, but you know, it looks better than it did. We covered up a bunch of the staples and I get to move in maybe tomorrow. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. But today we're laying the flooring, we're finishing the window trim and the trim in the edges. And my hunky man dude boyfriend is, oh hi, covering our beautiful new white door. Like we keep saying, we're building she sheds, not rocket ships. So we want it to look and feel cozy and nice, but it doesn't have to be perfect. We're not skilled carpenters or anything, so we're just working with what we've got. We already swept it out this morning and got it cleanish, so we're just doing the final touches before we put in the flooring. Okay, so we're gonna start on this side. So we're trying to decide if we're gonna make the panels go perpendicular with the 10-foot wall or the 20-foot wall. So just to save us some time, we're gonna go the lengthways so we have less cutting to do. I think it'll look cute too. It'll make it look longer in here, which is okay. I don't know if that makes it look less homey or what. We're on a time crunch. Andy leaves tomorrow for work, so he wants to make sure that we get the flooring in before he heads out for work. So here we are. We're doing it. Gonna move everything on. Do you want me to talk in east and west, north and south, since you're a pilot? Is that something I need to do? I always say left and right. He always says east, west, north, south. You're such a pilot. We're gonna move this to the east wall, right? Is that correct?
Correct.
Yay. I don't know where I'm at half the time. Like in my hometown I do, but in a new city I don't. I just think, where's California, where's Boston? And then I can figure it out. I wanna do the leaf blower. Look how pretty the view is.
Have fun.
Yay. doing the leaf blower. It's fun.
La belle époque, oh oh. La belle époque, oh oh.
You take all of it down.
That's actually working properly.
La belle époque. Pour me champagne, love me insane. Flowers and
Delivery! Thank you, sir.
my bonnet. Oh no, it's not a test. Only
I wonder if I can get a coffee delivery. He's in there cutting and he's gonna come deliver me my half planks of flooring. What an exciting day!
Did you hear me cussing?
No. That was my job yesterday.
La belle époque. Oh, belle époque.
It's gonna look so cute.
And I'm glad that we didn't do those vertical corner pieces because I think they need to be on top of it.
Can you just pull me into town?
Pull me into town.
Oh! Who is it?
Delivery.
Hey, thank you. Try my pumpkin bar.
Rotten?
It's really good with coffee.
Oh, it's still yours then. I'll go get
No, eat it. You don't want to try a bite of it?
it. Okay, a bite. Are you gonna have a bite?
Just. We can Lady and the Tramp it.
Oh, look around.
The only way I got through this build was to keep a sense of humor, so bear with us while we are completely delirious during the rest of this build. My legs were so dead this day. So the day before this, I caulked for about an hour and then painted for 3.5 hours. So I'm pretty sure I did about 3,549 squats yesterday and more squats today laying the flooring. Hashtag fitness goals. My thighs are dead. Please send your thoughts and your prayers to my quadriceps. We're gonna finish the floor. And it's almost done, the umbrella. It stopped raining, so we're going back out. So then what happened? Ooh,
It's cold in here.
you know it's a good floor when you can go da-na-na-na-na-na-na. Whee. That's how you know. You ready for this?
Yes.
You got a little something, something.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. How about I remove the clamps while you do the other 3? There's only 4 boards left to put on the floor, and then we're gonna run to Lowe's. We're gonna put it up, I'm gonna paint it, and then we're done. Ready to move in. We'll know we made it when we move in the armoire, because I need help with the armoire, but I can get everything else. Yay. I'll be your clamp remover assistant lady.
Can't reach.
Help.
Help! I need somebody to get it going on in this party. So I think one of the first ones I just gave you, I measured from here instead of here, so it's gonna be a 16th off.
Perfect, I love it.
Lame. Ready?
Ready.
Okay, one more, right?
We've done it. We gone and done it.
Let's see, saw, then measure. What?
Hmm?
Yes. Wait, 7 3/4.
Shock me.
Oh my goodness.
Going somewhere sandals are on. So I removed my going somewhere sandals at the door. Hey, now.
Oh my god.
Did you get a chalk mark on my bum?
No, you got a lot of sawdust now though.
There it is. Woohoo! I won't have a measurement for a minute, but you could cut a full one like that. Well. What'd you say?
I said, pencil me Elmo. Wait.
We keep losing our pencil. Not all we're losing. Oh my gosh. I've lost every last marble during this build. Every last one of them.
Roger that. Or where's your straight edge thing?
The-
Right behind you on the floor.
Oh, this way.
Yep.
Are we yelling? I feel like we're yelling.
Yep. I have ears in, you got ears on. Did I get there? Where? It's too far.
Chalk it.
I wanna
got a
cry.
chalker.
I need a better straight edge. Guess we'll chalk it.
Chalk it to me, chalk it to me, chalk it to me, chalk it to me.
Chuck it to me, chuck it to me, chuck it to me. Oh no! I didn't have to cross that all the way down. Hold on. Hold it really tight.
I'm scared.
Why do I do that? Just wanted to make it harder on myself. How inappropriate that I butchered the last part. Gosh, dang it. Gross.
It's gonna look great. I love it. It's great. It's like you might have an ugly child, but you love it anyway.
Oh man.
Our last piece. Oh
More
my gosh. You don't say. But does it
How on
fit?
earth?
Did we cut the right? Oh.
Oh gosh. How do you get it in? You need another little bit off.
Oh. For the love.
Yes.
Unless you can slide that in first. That's what I did on this one.
Yes. Okay, maybe.
Yes. And then we can hammer it in this way, which you're not supposed to do, but we can make it work. Yes. We will make it work. Watch this. I have the patience of a mongoose.
I know, but like, it ends up being like worse.
Does it?
Yes.
Or it'll just really be stuck in there, and that's better.
Okay.
See, that wasn't so bad. We didn't get it caught in there. That was the issue.
Hold on.
Here, I have an idea.
I know. I'm just gonna get my lemon. Yeah. Just a second. Just you wait. Hold this.
I'm the least patient person.
I know. That's why I'm not doing this again.
Get out of my
time-
way.
next
Let
time
me
I'm
kick
gonna
your butt.
send-
I would
I'm
have had
gonna
this
send
done in 10 seconds.
You would.
Yes, I would.
You couldn't even get. Oh my god. Depends on what you mean by done, because.
You just gotta let the tornado take care of it.
Here, let's tap this in.
I'm very much wrecking ball energy. Energy is very much plan 15 different ways to do it and then pick 5 and then deductive reasoning.
I get it planned. I'm not planned, but I definitely want to understand what I'm doing before I start.
So between the two of us, we got it done. We got it done. Woo!
It's making 0.
That's where my armoire is gonna go. It doesn't matter.
No, it isn't.
I'm
This
just
is
joking.
Right,
That's what I say every time I make a
right
mistake.
where I walk in.
My armor is gonna go in front of that bad thing.
No.
My armor is gonna go. Guess where we are again?
I'm not tired. You are.
I'm delirious. That's the flooring we got. It looks so pretty.
Even though it's cheap.
It's super cheap.
I'm not over budget. You are.
That's what they say about building anything. Like it's gonna take twice as long and you're gonna pay twice as much as you expect.
We're not 2 times over budget. It looks much more white on my camera, but it's.
It's so cute in here.
If you made it this far in the video, right, go in somewhere sandals down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, share it with your friends. We'll see you in the reveal video.